And thank you so much, CIMB, no, for having us here. As you know, I just gave birth 2 months ago and you would hear my baby crying. I hope hindi siya umiiyak ngayon, no? Pero just being here, no, I know na magiging inspiration, no, yung pag-show up ko sa mga moms na kagaya ko. Kasi when you became a mom, ang instant agad na iisipin natin is, this is the end of me na mawawalan na ako ng career, mawawalan na ako ng mga kaibigan, focus na lang ako and all that. No, pero in my case kasi when I became a mom, nag-iba yung mindset ko. So sabi ko, kakayanin ko to lahat ng challenges na mayroon ako kasi nakita ko how hard it was, no, for my mother who was an ex-OFW, no. And ako, sabi ko, lahat kakayanin ko talaga. So it's for my mom, no? Yung advocacy na ginagawa ko for the community is for her talaga. It's my legacy dedicated for her. And that I wanted to inspire more moms than like me. Na kaya rin nila yung ginagawa namin ng mga working from home na makapag-provide sa family nila. Thank you.